Car leases and car subscriptions are both lower-cost alternatives to buying outright. A subscription plan gives drivers access to vehicles as needed, while a lease is more like renting a car long-term. Let's walk through the pros and cons of leases versus subscriptions. Leasing has been around for a while. In this arrangement, a lessee agrees to pay rental payments on time to keep a car for around 36 to 48 months. Subscriptions are a relatively new concept. In this arrangement, you'll pay a flat rental fee to get access to a fleet of vehicles, and you can skip a month every now and then if you won't need to drive. Often, subscribers will only take out cars for a few hours or a few days at a time, but depending on the program, it may be possible to take one out for a year. Drivers on subscription services can usually swap out vehicles on short notice too. Where money is concerned, monthly lease payments are usually cheaper than subscription payments. This sounds great until you factor in that if you're leasing a vehicle, you'll need to purchase collision and comprehensive insurance, which is normally referred to as a full coverage policy, and you'll have to pay for all of your car's repairs and maintenance out of pocket. Car subscription services, on the other hand, usually include the cost of insurance and maintenance. Many programs even offer roadside assistance. Your lease contract will lay out how many miles you're allowed to drive the car before accumulating any extra fees. For the most part, this is very reasonable, between 12 and 15,000 miles, which is plenty for the average driver. Subscription services typically have mileage limitations too. Some programs may even be so strict that they eliminate the possibility of using the car for long commutes or road trips. So if distance restrictions are a deal breaker for you, make sure to read the fine print before subscribing. A final major perk of leasing is being able to get behind the wheel of the latest makes and models. On the other hand, if you opt for a subscription service, the cars you'll have access to probably won't be brand new, but they likely won't be more than 3 years old either. In short, leasing is generally a better option for drivers who want a long-term car commitment but don't want to buy outright. Car subscription services may be a great choice if you're looking for convenient, occasional vehicle access. For more information about buying, leasing, or insuring your car, go to getjerry.com.